Number 5. What are features of osmosis? So osmosis is the movement of water molecules from high to low water potential. And this is important. You always have to say through semi-permeable membrane. Okay? It's the movement of water molecules from high to low water potential through semi-permeable membrane. Alright? So let's have a look at our options here. So first one is diffusion is involved, requires cell walls, requires a partially permeable membrane. Like I wrote it here on the right side. Yes, it requires a partially permeable membrane. So semi-permeable membrane and the partially permeable membranes are the same things. So it's either A or C. Does it require cell walls? No. Cell walls are only there to prevent the cells from bursting. It has nothing to do with controlling the movement of particles, like water particles or water molecules or whatever. So, nope. Hence the answer is A. However, let's have a look at the first option here. Diffusion is involved, yes, because osmosis is a specific type of diffusion. So diffusion is the movement of particles from high concentration to low concentration. Okay? So this is the region of high concentration and low concentration here and there. So yes, osmosis is a type of diffusion. So A is the perfect answer. Okay?